Imagine a time before fluffy bath towels. Yes, there was such a time when humans stepped out of the bath or river and faced the chilling conundrum of how to dry themselves off. In ancient civilizations, there were no cozy cotton terrycloth towels waiting to wrap us in warmth. Instead, people resorted to air drying, animal skins, or rough woven fabrics. But as with all great human advancements, necessity drove invention, and thus, the bath towel was born. Our journey begins in ancient Egypt, around 3000 BCE, where the quest for cleanliness was a spiritual and physical pursuit. The Egyptians, famed for their meticulous hygiene, used linen cloths, a fabric made from the flax plant. While not exactly the soft, absorbent towels we adore today, these linen cloths were a significant upgrade from mere air drying. Linen, light and quick to dry, became the precursor to the modern towel. Fast forward to the Roman Empire, a civilization that elevated bathing to a luxurious social event. The Romans, with their grand bathhouses, needed something more sophisticated than linen. Enter the sudarium and mappa, small cloths used to wipe sweat and dry off after bathing. These were the early prototypes of our bath towels, though still lacking in the plushness we cherish. But the true game changer came from a place known for its opulent textiles, Turkey. Around the 17th century, in the bustling city of Bursa, Turkish weavers began creating a fabric that would revolutionize drying off. They introduced the world to havlu, a term derived from the Arabic word for napkin or towel. This new textile was made of cotton and featured looped fabric on one side, making it highly absorbent and incredibly soft. The Turks had invented terrycloth. The Turkish bath towel, or peshtemal, became a staple in the hammams, Turkish baths, renowned for its lightweight, quick-drying properties and vibrant designs. It was a far cry from the linen cloths of ancient Egypt and the small Roman mappas. The peshtemal could wrap around the body, absorbing water efficiently, while adding a touch of elegance to the bathing ritual. As trade routes expanded, so did the fame of the Turkish towel. By the 19th century, the terrycloth towel made its way to Europe, where it was eagerly adopted and further refined. The Industrial Revolution brought mass production techniques, making these luxurious towels accessible to the wider public. England, in particular, became a hub for towel manufacturing, with factories in Lancashire producing vast quantities of terrycloth towels. In the 20th century, the bath towel underwent another transformation with the introduction of synthetic fibers and advanced weaving techniques. These innovations allowed for even greater absorbency, durability, and a variety of textures and patterns. Bath towels became not just a functional item, but a statement of personal style and home decor. Today, we take for granted the sheer comfort and convenience of a bath towel, available in countless colors, sizes, and materials, from Egyptian cotton to bamboo fibers. The bath towel is a testament to human ingenuity and our eternal quest for comfort. So, next time you wrap yourself in a soft, fluffy towel after a bath or shower, take a moment to appreciate the centuries of evolution behind this simple yet essential item. From ancient linen cloths to the luxurious terrycloth towels of today, the humble bath towel has dried its way through history, embodying the progress of human civilization in every thread. Your support is greatly appreciated. Please subscribe for a continuous supply of knowledge. Thank you.